Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Our integrated process brings the battery modules and aluminum coils together, utilizing interoplets. In the next process of the Tesla build, the frame is joined with the battery module.
This is the Tesla car build process. Advanced robotics weld the chassis before
tenses. By precisely mixing the lithium compounds in a sealed environment, we optimize both the energy density and the
Tesla train machines. Tesla's lithium-ion battery cell manufacturing process is typically coating.
The voltage stabilized right after the adjustment.
Good. The thermal controls are responding as expected.
Every vehicle is assembled with millimeter-level accuracy. Every vehicle is assembled with millimeter-level accuracy.
Monitor the torque settings on the suspension mounts. Confirmed. Initiating the next sequence now.
Every Tesla undergoes rigorous quality checks before delivery.
And that's how Tesla cars are built. P3Ks, from start to finish.